Hi everyone, and welcome to this very special collaboration I am doing with none other than Dominic Scholl, Fluidart. I am really excited. We've been chatting for a little while and thought we'd do a Dutch and spin pour together using sort of wintry, icy, maybe water sort of shades and colors. So yeah, I've got my canvas here all prepped. It's a 60 by 60 centimeter sort of deep edge gallery wrapped canvas. 60 by 60 is about 24 by 24 centimeter square, of course, inch I mean. And yeah, I've taped the back, put my little feet on it, made sure it's absolutely level. And we're going to get down to the spinning pour to do the pour. But let me just talk to you about the colours a little. Okay, so the colours I'll be using. This time I didn't want just a white or a black background. So what I have here is a really nice pastel blue that I mixed. It's gorgeous. And the way you get that pastel shade is if you're going for a blue, you take the opposite color in the color wheel. So I added some Liquitex Cadmium Orange to Amsterdam Phthalo Blue. And I think that's really a lovely base color. And then for the blowout colors, I have a dark blue, which is a Liquitex Phthalo Blue and Deco Arts Deep Sapphire mixed together. This one here is Liquitex Phthalo Blue, Titanium White and Amsterdam Pearl Blue mixed together. And this one is just Liquitex Titanium White and Phthalo Blue. And finally, one of my favorite paints, an Amsterdam Pearl paint, is a Pearl White. So that should give it some really nice effects there. So let's get down to my spinning pool and we'll get blowing and spinning this one. I'm just going to go ahead and spread this base paint, get my colors down and get to blowing. So I'll pop some music on for you and I will speak to you at the end.
Your shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. No obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race. We are duty bound. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long way, so
Here we are, the wet results. Yeah, I think I definitely need to do something to the lower sections, just here and here. But after that, I think the composition will actually be very nice. Let's have a look at the dried results. It dried really well and pretty fast as well. There's no flash on here. I've just got my studio lights on, and yeah, I think it dried beautiful, really, really nice. But I've been looking at it and I hate a couple of parts. I hate this here. I really, really don't like that. Same here. This part here and this section as well. It just ruins the potentially very nice composition. So I've got myself some packing tape. Oh, let me just show you. There's a nice little bit of metallic pearlescent shimmer just there. Yeah, I've got myself, let me just show you what I have. I have some packing tape. I'm just going to go over the entire thing with the packing tape.
We deserve it, call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. We give it our best, but sometimes we need to stop to see what we have assessed. I'm grateful about everything because we have been working hard right from the very start. Thought we get this far, but now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate.
So I've removed the tape here and I hate these stark lines here. I can't stand it. I've got to do something to it. I got my airbrush. I put some blue paint into it, but that it's an acrylic ink, but it's not covering enough and it's a wrong shade. So what I ended up doing is just decanting some of the same spray paint into a cup, and I'm gonna put that in my airbrush and see if I can get somewhere with this little idea.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day.
Good grief, this made me work for it. But, you know, I kind of love these pieces that sort of force you to, oh, look at that, learn new skills like the airbrush. Yeah, I do love this piece. I think it's back to having nice composition, nice look to it. But what I'd love to know is what you think about it. Leave me a comment in the box below. Drop me a like as well, please. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And do check out Dominic's painting in our collaboration as well. So, yeah, that is me done with this particular battle. So, thanks ever so much for being here with me. I'll see you soon. Bye.